Good morning, YouTubers. And it is absolutely freezing. I couldn't sleep last night, and you might notice that the crane seems to be at a funny angle to the car. Well, that is because everything's now in on my crossmember. So this is a bit difficult to film because it keeps going into landscape while I'm jiggling about, but I think we're still recording normal. Where are we? Here we are. So we're kind of in, but it's settled on the rubber and it's touching on the cross member, but that can be adjusted because I've already tack welded it in. Main thing is it's in a hole here, so we can start trying to whack the gearbag in now and see what the gearbag's going to foul on. Well, I know it's going to be a transmission tunnel. And then just bear with me because you don't need to hear me groaning when I get out. And then at the top we've got a radiator in. There's a moderate amount of space down there, but there's going to be more because the engine's got to tip back yet. So we should get some sort of cooling fan arrangement in there, even if I've got to do two small ones in the front. Hopefully get a few extra cores in the radiator. Let's take this back out a minute. This is a 2 litre SR20 which is hanging about. I'll just put that back over there so that we can have a look at the... if I tilt the camera it'll go landscape. Right, there we go. That's the intercooler that come with the engine. Unfortunately it's a side entry so we can't use it, but I have found one which is 40mm higher. It'll sit in that gap lovely. So there's another expense. And then this god awful front panel, which I absolutely hate. The shape is disgusting. Have to work on that later, but probably just going to put 5 massive air intake holes in there and open up these slots just so we can get as much air through the intercooler as possible. But it's kind of in there. It's got to be tilted back quite a bit, and that is pretty much all the firewall cut out. Don't think I'm going to have to trim too much more out. All I've got to do is try and find somewhere to put my feet and the steering column over that side, but as I'm not the only one that's done this, I'm sure it's doable. So there you go, this morning's instalment of One Man and His Madness. So I'm going to go and get something to eat, and I'll catch up with you lot on the next one. Cheerio now.